How to fix Supercell account lost after phone change. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply open your Supercell game and launch the Clash of Clans or Brawl Star or Clash Royale on the new device, right? And from there, what you can actually do is simply log in with your Supercell ID. It's really easy. Simply enter your registered Supercell ID email and receive an authentication code. And then from there, here, what you can actually do is simply use that authentication code and verify yourself. Like that, you'll be able to get into your account. So if you cannot do that, you can actually get into the help and support chat. So if unlinked, then you can actually get into settings, help support an account, and then you can tap on recover my account and follow all of the automated bot instruction. After following all of the automated instruction, I'm pretty sure that you'll actually be able to get your account back even after like losing or changing your phone. So yeah, that's it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.